In the golden era of American muscle cars, the 1967 Plymouth GTX stood tall as a unique combination of power and class. Nicknamed the gentleman's muscle car, the GTX was introduced by Plymouth to rival the likes of Dodge's newly launched Coronet RT. While the Roadrunner was still a year away, the GTX made its debut as a high-performance trim level of the Belvedere, offering not only brute force under the hood, but also a refined, upscale appearance. This wasn't your typical drag strip brawler. The GTX was built for enthusiasts who wanted their muscle with a touch of elegance, chrome trim, plush interiors, and aggressive yet polished styling. Plymouth only offered the GTX in two body styles for 1967, a two-door hardtop and a convertible. Under the hood, buyers found Chrysler's formidable 440 Super Commando V8 as standard equipment. This beast delivered a solid 375 horsepower and an asphalt-ripping 480 pound-feet of torque. But for those who wanted to go all in, Plymouth offered the legendary 426 Hemi V8, a race-bred engine producing 425 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. The 426 Hemi wasn't just about performance, it was also about exclusivity. Expensive and often uninsurable, the Hemi GTX became a unicorn of sorts, especially in convertible form. Of the 12,010 GTX hardtops and 680 convertibles built in 1967, only 733 were optioned with the 426 Hemi engine. More impressively, just 17 Hemi convertibles were ever produced, and only 10 of those featured the TorqueFlite automatic transmission. One of those ultra-rare machines has resurfaced in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, and it's turning heads in the collector car community. Finished in vibrant RR1 bright yellow and sporting a luxurious black vinyl interior, this 1967 Plymouth GTX convertible is the pinnacle of Mopar muscle. It boasts its original, numbers-matching 426 Hemi V8 and TorqueFlite automatic, verified by a full Galen Govier report, one of the most trusted sources in Mopar documentation. This car is more than a vintage machine. It's a rolling piece of American automotive history. Restored to impeccable standards, it has only 932 miles on the clock since the restoration was completed. From the pristine black convertible top to the authentic interior with redone stitching and clean switchgear, everything screams perfection and respect for the original factory specs. The drivetrain, suspension, and power delivery stayed true to the 1967 engineering ethos. No gimmicks, no resto mods, just pure, unfiltered muscle delivered with precision. The rarity of this vehicle can't be overstated. It's one of just 10 known factory-produced GTX convertibles equipped with the 426 Hemi and automatic transmission. That makes it not just a collector's dream, but a museum-grade artifact. Asking price? A cool $299,900. But for serious collectors, that price reflects more than rarity. It represents the peak of Mopar performance and a time when automakers had the audacity to drop race engines into showroom cars and dare customers to handle them. This 1967 Plymouth GTX isn't just a restored classic. It's a loud, proud, unapologetic tribute to the raw muscle of the 1960s. It captures the spirit of an era when American automakers flexed their might not just on the track, but on Main Street. It's a time machine with a torque curve, one that commands attention, respect, and admiration.